Well, lo and behold, I finally figured out the tune problem on this thing after the rig blew up with the 650 volts crossed into the 250 volt line. And as you recall, it burned out that resistor, so I replaced the resistor. But what I did not do, I didn't drop enough solder on this connection, because as you can see, there's a bit of a gap there, like a little hole there. And there's a wire poking through, right? It's loose. So that's the 250 volt line that goes to other stages. That wire is loose. So I gave myself a problem here by not being conscientious on this thing. Gotta fix that. That will probably fix the rest of the radio. It'll probably fix the tune problem and the SSB problem. So we'll see. I jumped 250 volts from the input line, which is basically here, over to the resistor for tune right there, and tune started working. So I traced that red wire back, and it went, lo and behold, over to here, and I found it was loose. So it's like, oh my gosh. So anyway, always double check your work. I don't care if it's software, I don't care if it's wiring, double check it. I didn't check that for perfection. All right, so I'm going to solder that, and that's about it.